What if I told you that some of the most misunderstood animals on Earth are also among the most astonishing? For centuries, bats have been linked with myths, fear, and even horror, but their real abilities are stranger than fiction. These winged mammals can delay pregnancy, share blood meals, pollinate vital plants, and even reach wingspans as wide as a human is tall. Tonight, we're uncovering the top 10 incredible facts about bats that will leave you amazed. Number 10. Delayed pregnancy. Some bats have mastered the art of timing birth for survival. After mating, certain species can delay the development of the embryo, pausing pregnancy until food is abundant and conditions are right. This ensures newborn pups arrive in the most favorable season. Such reproductive control is rare among mammals, making bats true masters of adaptation. It's like nature gave them a biological pause button for survival. Number 9. Blood-sharing vampires. Vampire bats are famous for feeding on blood, but even more remarkable is their generosity. If a bat fails to find food, its colony mates will share by regurgitating blood meals. This life-saving act prevents starvation and builds strong social bonds. Even better, vampire bats remember who helped them and return the favor. It's an incredible example of cooperation in a species often portrayed as sinister. Number 8. Upside-down sleepers. So, one of bats' most iconic traits is honestly their upside-down sleeping style. Hanging from caves, trees, and even buildings, this position gives them a perfect launch point for flight. Their special tendons lock naturally, which allows them to hang for hours without using any energy at all. Unlike birds, bats can't really take off from the ground easily, so their inverted roosting ensures they're always ready for a quick escape into the night. Number 7. Incredibly long lifespans. Despite being small mammals, bats actually live surprisingly long lives. While creatures like mice rarely survive more than a few years, certain bat species can live over 40 years. Scientists believe this is due to their unique metabolism, low rates of cancer, and excellent DNA repair systems. Even in old age, bats remain active and healthy, making them one of the longest-living small mammals on Earth. Number 6. Only flying mammals. Bats are the only mammals capable of true, sustained flight. Unlike gliders such as flying squirrels, bats actively flap their wings to soar, swoop, and hover with unmatched agility. Their wings are actually modified hands, with stretched finger bones supporting thin skin membranes. This design allows for incredible maneuverability, making bats capable of darting through dense forests and catching insects mid-air with ease. Evolution has really perfected their flight. Number 5. Echolocation masters. Bats don't need eyesight to navigate the dark, they use echolocation. By emitting high-pitched calls and listening for returning echoes, bats can create a detailed sound map of their surroundings. This natural sonar helps them detect insects as small as mosquitoes and avoid obstacles with pinpoint precision. Some species can even distinguish prey types by sound alone, making echolocation one of nature's most remarkable abilities. Number 4. Critical pollinators. Bats aren't just insect hunters, they're also vital pollinators. Many plants, including bananas, mangoes, and agave used for tequila, depend on bats to spread pollen. With long tongues and snouts, nectar-feeding bats reach deep into flowers, transferring pollen as they feed. Without them, entire ecosystems and human industries could collapse. These nighttime pollinators prove that bats play a much bigger role in our lives than we realize. Number 3. Walking and running bats. You know, most bats look kind of awkward on the ground, but some, like vampire bats, are surprisingly agile walkers and even runners. Using their wings as limbs, they can scuttle quickly across surfaces to approach prey or escape danger. This ground mobility is pretty rare among flying creatures and really showcases bats' adaptability. It also makes them unique among mammals, combining the ability to fly, crawl, and run in one extraordinary package. Number 2. Natural pest controllers. A single bat can eat thousands of insects in just one night, making them nature's best pest control agents. From mosquitoes to crop-destroying moths, bats provide farmers with billions of dollars in free pest management each year. Without them, insect populations would skyrocket, threatening agriculture and human health. Far from being frightening, bats are silent allies, protecting our food and reducing the spread of disease naturally. Number 1. Giants with 6-foot wingspans. At the top of the list are flying foxes, also known as fruit bats, with wingspans stretching up to 6 feet. These gentle giants may look intimidating, but they're harmless to humans, feeding mostly on fruit and nectar. Their impressive size makes them some of the largest bats in the world. Watching one soar through the night sky is both breathtaking and unforgettable, nature's giant gliders. From delaying pregnancy and sharing blood meals to pollinating crops and growing to massive sizes, bats prove they are some of nature's most incredible animals. They're not just creatures of myths and spooky stories, they're vital for ecosystems, agriculture, and even scientific discoveries. So next time you spot a bat at dusk, remember you're looking at one of Earth's true marvels of evolution.